What's going on, world? This is your boy, Seuss Villiano, better known as Jamar Johnson when we're talking business. And in this video, I'm going to show you one option to exchange, buy, or sell crypto coins. Now, this site here is Coinpayments.net. Right at the top, you can find it. And if you're watching this video, then there's probably a button below this video where you could just click the link and it will take you straight to Coinpayments. The reason why we like Coinpayments is it has a few different benefits. So it actually has a lot of benefits. One is it accepts over 1,800 altcoins. So virtually any coin that's out there on the market right now, Coinpayments accepts. And not only does it accept it, it accepts it for 0.50%, not even 1%. So if you're transferring cryptos, if you're sending cryptos, buying cryptos, this rate right here should be heaven to your eyes. You see, we're in a world right now where transfer fees are outrageous, and that's where a lot of the banks are making their money off of the fees. So one of the benefits of having crypto is low transfer fees, right? So Coinpayment has a 0.5%. They also have a way for you to pay by name. Now, if somebody has this feature where they have the pay by name, you could just send money to their tag. Very easy to use. They also have a shopping cart plugin. Now, I know there are a lot of e-commerce people out there who are selling products online, and if so, then you're probably using Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento if you're with us with Builderall. So just to let you know that this Coinpayments.net, this alternative actually has plugins that works with the sites that you're using right now. So if you want to see all the cart plugins, you'll just press this button right here and it'll show you all of them. But the reason why I'm in love with this is because you can buy gift cards with cryptocurrency. That's right. Through Coinpayments, you can purchase digital gift cards from hundreds of retailers like Adidas, Best Buy, Hulu, Lowe's, Nike, Uber. You can buy things for dining, fashion, lifestyle, entertainment, electronics. I've seen things for Xbox, PlayStation, Uber Eats, Hooters, and almost anything you can think of right now that you're spending money on has a gift card. And the power of Coinpayments is they have access to the gift cards. So you don't even have to change your currency over to money to shop in the real world. You don't even, right now we're in a crisis where everything is locked down, everything is shut down, and it's online. So you don't need any physical cash to go into these stores. Most people are buying online right now. So you can actually, not only for you can share this opportunity, you can give away gift cards just by having this platform. So that's one of the things we're doing, is we have people coming on board and we're giving out gifts. We're actually incentivizing them to take action, and we're giving them gift cards because it costs us virtually nothing to do it, and we can do it with their cryptocurrency. So that's a very, very big thing about Coinpayments. They also have a few different payment features where they have a vault that protects your coins. There's a mobile app. There's a point of sale. So if you're in person with somebody, you can still make transactions. There's a multi-coin wallet, so that means you can have multiple wallets stored. And there's an auto coin conversion. The reason why I left this for last is because I actually tried this, and this auto coin conversion uses a third-party source. So if you're going to use Coinpayments, just keep in mind that it does use a third party to convert the cryptocurrencies. So if you want to exchange Ethereum for Bitcoin, that it will pull from a third party. So I like this because you can keep all your coins in one place, right? Everything stays here. And if you do need to convert it, fine. But you can use your coins right now to purchase cryptocurrencies. And you can use this platform right now with the platforms that you're already using to sell on. I'll click on view all cart plugins so you can see all of the different plugins. You'll see they're all right here. There's a bunch of open cart, press to shops, WooCommerce, Xcart, Uber Cart. So this platform is good. Like I said, there's many of them. There are many different values that they all have. This is just one of them. One reason we like it is because of the low payments and the gift cards. So hope this video was informative. If you have any more questions, check out their YouTube channel where they have more details to show you how to use the gift cards, how to really get down and dirty with Coinpayments. So I'll see you in the next video.